Hey, Fritzy.
Yeah,
Where's the cover?
I need pictures for the thing Miss Cram gave us for the pictures.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah, I
want to put
know.
with Christmas pictures, so we have to make pictures.
Yeah, and have to take them out.
When we making cookies.
Do you know how much it costs to take pictures out from the memory card? Like,
I don't know.
cause it's very expensive at home, so
Yeah,
it is, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what Sean texted me, Tanya?
Marianne is from. Huh?
You know what Sean texted me? He texted me, movie at 6, little punk gets you at 5, maybe 4:30. So if you're done by then. Over, just see the movie now, and we will have lunch at 2 next week. Let me know when you're done.
Are you kidding me? He can just say, I'm gonna go pick you up. It's like, hello, did I say that? You can pick me up?
Yeah, but then
That's
yesterday,
just,
Julie had texted me, I can't go because she's in jail, so I was kind of busy.
Oh, where's the
So I was
card for the movie?
I can't complete
We're watching this movie. Benjamin Button,
and then
Brad Pitt.
when we were done, and then I said, well, it's in the morning, and in the
Yeah,
afternoon.
it is good.
But he said, we can see the film movie, and I was like, I don't know.
It smells like,
Good.
yeah, it smells good. Hva skjer da, Marianne? Hun er fra Norge, hun også. Exchange students, alle sammen. Ja, jeg vet. Oi, det ble skikkelig rart å snakke norsk nå. Ok. Jeg liker ikke hundene. Ja, plutselig ble det norsk, ja. Oi. Tralala. Is he gonna be like a baby? Is he gonna be like a baby again? He's gonna be like a really smart kid. Mm.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. What's up? What's up? Fin rumpe. I taught her. She understood you. I know. Hva skjer da? Hva skjer da?
Then we go to New York. New York.
New York, New York. I'm going there in a week. 28th December. Yeah. Yeah. Coca-Cola with Santa Claus. Yes. Yes. Oh. How long did this movie last?
Looks good. Every 2 hours.
Oh.
It's getting even better. Oh gosh, when he's yeah. You know when he's like exploring the world, like when he's going to India and stuff. It looks like he's really. I don't know how they do that.
No, it's amazing.
Brad Pitt?
Yeah.
Brad Pitt? Mm.
It looks so good.
Okay.
Actually, I'm thinking about how do they do that because it really looks. Like
Yeah, it's really good how they make them.
yeah, and actually
There he
she's a
is,
dancer,
Brad.
You know, I mean the actress.
Oh yeah, he must be.
She must be.
You cannot learn that in that.
She must be really good, or should they like take somebody else and just like.
Yeah.
Like one fake.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey.
These are mushrooms.
Ah, nice.
Mushrooms.
Oh, thank you. Mushroom.
Thank you so much.
I have something else coming. This
Oh, do you want me to take it?
That's all right.
Just mushrooms though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, is there meat in it?
No.
You don't eat it? You don't include me there.
No,
What?
it's not meat.
No, I just asked her if she's eating meat at all. That's what I asked her.
Say bye. Goodbye, video.